In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a YouTube banner. Creating an eye-catching and professional banner is crucial to setting the right first impression for your channel, and with a little creativity and the right tools, you can craft a banner that makes your YouTube page stand out. Today, we'll be using Canva, a popular design tool that's user-friendly, even if you're new to graphic design. First, let's start by heading over to canva.com. If you don't already have an account, signing up is quick and easy. Once you're logged in, you'll find a search bar at the top of the page. Here you're going to type in YouTube banner. This search will bring up a wide array of templates specifically designed with YouTube's banner dimensions in mind, so you won't have to worry about cropping or resizing later on. Now take a look through the available templates. Canva provides a fantastic variety, from bold and vibrant designs to more minimalistic options. Choose the one that resonates with your channel's theme or aesthetic. Remember, your banner is a reflection of your content, so pick a design that captures the essence of what you offer. After selecting your template, click on Customize this template. This is where the fun really starts, as you'll have the opportunity to tailor the banner to fit your personal style and message. The customization options in Canva are incredibly versatile. You can change fonts, colors, and even add elements like shapes and lines. If you have a logo, you can easily upload it and incorporate it into your design, giving your banner a personalized touch. Think about what you want your banner to say. Most successful YouTube banners include a concise tagline or a schedule of uploads, giving viewers an idea of what and when to expect content. You can also insert your social media handles if you want to extend your connection with your audience beyond YouTube. Take your time with this step, experiment with different color schemes and layouts. Sometimes the most subtle changes can make a significant impact on the overall feel of your banner. Utilize Canva's drag and drop functionality to move elements around until you're happy with the composition. Once you're satisfied with your design, it's time to save and download your new YouTube banner. Click on the download button at the top right of the screen and choose your preferred file format. PNG is often recommended for a higher quality image, but JPEG works well too if you're looking for a smaller file size. Now simply upload your new banner to your YouTube channel and get ready to impress your viewers. A well-designed banner not only helps in branding your channel, but also shows that you pay attention to detail and care about your presentation. Enjoy your new look and see how it transforms your channel into a visually stunning platform.